Hi, I will be talking about visual feature engineering for machine learning with React. My name is Olga. I'm working as a developer advocate at Sencha. But before joining my current company, I have been working as a front-end and full-stack developer at several companies implementing machine learning solutions. And a typical machine learning solution consists of machine learning as just one of step. And before actually performing machine learning, you need to prepare your data. And after machine learning process, you need to process your results and build visualizations. And for me, it was always like I'm doing first steps or last steps, but never most interesting part, central steps and actual machine learning. So for me, it was always like a magic. And R or Python or some other languages were commonly used to implement machine learning, but I was a kind of JavaScript developer. And then I have heard about TensorFlow.js, and it blew my mind. Now I could use tools in JavaScript that I used to work with, like React, Distro.js, to actually see all this magic behind machine learning. And I built a tool that allows you to build model directly into a browser and perform feature engineering, like include, exclude features from model and apply different type of normalization. And I have used React for this and also a grid component from Extract library. And I have used TensorFlow.js for actual machine learning and Distro.js to visualize this process and React to render all this. So for me, it was like a perfect fit. And I applied this use case for a real-world scenario and tried to predict results of games at FIFA World Cups. So I have taken data about all games played until 2014 to train my model, and last World Cup to validate my model. Last World Cup that France won, by the way. I was specially invited to speak at this conference to remind everyone about this fact. So I used the following features, like previous win counts, home country, and stage. And result is like target, obviously, for group stage, it's 3 options, and for playoff, only 2 options. So my app. It allows to build a defined model directly into a browser, count of layers, units, and activation function, and you could perform feature engineering, like exclude, include different features, and apply normalization. And when you click Run, you will see the actual training process. And here I use only 1 layer and 1 unit because it's easier to see how different features contribute to the result. And thicker line means high contribution, blue means positive weight, and orange means negative weight. So when a model is trained, I could see and validate this data, and it predicts correctly 36 games out of 64, so not bad. And interesting thing, if we will look at the final state of weights, we could find some results. First of all, we could find most valuable features, but more interesting, we could find some insights based on this final weight of different features. This two blue lines means like obvious insights. Teams that won more games in the last 12 years perform better, and teams playing in a home country perform better. And right orange line tells not so obvious result. Weaker teams perform better on a higher stage. And left orange line tells a result inside that was like surprise for me. Teams that lost more games against this competitor in past perform better. And yeah, I have built this model, and it shows like 56% prediction. Not bad according to like for group stage, it's 3 options, not 2. I have published all this to GitHub, and you could find live demo, and I will publish my slides and all links to my Twitter. And feel free to play around with this model, or maybe use this approach with visual feature engineering for your own data and build your own model directly into a browser. Thank you.